Agi. Agi. Cak 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 cak. Agi. Agi agi. 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 Agi agi agi. 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 Bo, nasunod din naman eh. Oh. Agi. 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 Agi.
Agi, 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 agi. Oh. Nice to nice.
Hindi ako nagsulotot ng insal. Sa insal. Ang sa resibo mo? Tingin talaga nilolootan. Oo. Wala ko nagagawa-gawa ka. Hindi na. Wala ko naniwala sa kasi.
Were angry. They cast lots of find out whose fault it was. The lot fell on Jonah. Jonah told them to throw him into the sea so the storm would stop. When Jonah touched the water, the storm stopped. A big fish appeared and swallowed Jonah. Jonah was scared. For 3 days, he stayed in the tummy of the big fish. He said sorry to God.
Ano yan? Chismosa ka. Ang pinapanood mo? Ha? Ano yan?
Ano ba gayon? Tawa o sigaw? Iyak? Ha? Ay! 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 Ano bakit? Ay! 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 Ano ba ka? Ayaw mo pang masasapawan. Tumitigil ka pa. Ha? Ayaw! Ay! Ayaw pang masasapawan.
Peekaboo! 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 Die! Die girl! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo, I see you! Peekaboo! Meow, 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 meow!
alaga. Ay, bakit? Ay, hindi na.